Be safe, man. Good morning.
Good day, sir.
How you doing? What year is this?
1954.
54? Mercedes. This was in the James Bond movie, right?
I don't know that this one was in.
Well, I'm not saying like this particular
No.
car.
I don't know that they had a 300 SL in the car. In that. This is a.
Yeah, Michelin tires. Look at that, Aiden.
Hey, how are you? Good to see you. Tina's gonna be here today. She's getting
Doors just pop open. I've never seen one in person. Manual.
No back seats. Want to have a hat back there.
Oh, no back seat?
As a hat back there.
You just hold the handle here, pull it closed, to the latch. First I've ever seen one in person. Seeing these in the movies.
I know way concrete crews are. The way they design this railing. So it's going down the steps to the ramp and all it's got bolt right where they want it bolt up to. And a 16th of an inch. No. 16th inch is 3 inches. An eighth of an inch is 6 inches.
See how wide the
I guess she grabs this to get in.
yeah, and the handles are right here.
Yeah, well, that's to pull it shut.
Yeah.
But to get in this thing, look how high this is and look how low the seat is.
Yes.
Well, you know,
You gotta climb to get out of this thing.
this car has a tubular space frame. So you really needed this type of design.
We'll have like a special keto set for there. And it was all
This thing is
painted,
just
rust
cool,
holes in
man.
it and all that. Get up to 1.1 million.
So it's a mixture of the new Mercedes and the old one. First time I've ever seen one in person. Let's see what size tires. Aiden. 70, 50. Oh, say thank you. Let's see how it looks underneath.
They are.
This thing has held up well. So interesting. This thing carries drum in the front and also drum in the rear. So both drums in the front and the rear. That's to show you the year when this was made.
So you're younger now. This is the original.
Got the two vents, and the vents go. You can actually see light inside the cabin. You're gonna pop the hood.
So it's the Mercedes 300 engine. They rebuilt it a little bit.
With a racing history.
And then what they did with this engine is they tilted it 50 degrees to get underneath the hood.
Okay.
So that's what they did. And if anybody asks you what's the very first car that ever had fuel injection,
This is it.
this is it.
No
And the
kidding.
space frame. Tube chassis. That's
So
why
it's
the
got a
cylinders
mechanical
are
fuel
wide.
injection pump, but I got to put oil in every so often down way down there.
Okay, I see it.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
With a fan.
That is so cool.
You know, tear that off and just put a
Yeah,
electric fan
that's
in.
all.
sorry. Needed to clean the lens.
1954.
1954.
The way you can tell these cars, because they're all the same bodies, this has one unique feature that the 55s and future ones don't have. And if you see this little bit of bead here underneath the eyebrow, it was only a one-year car, 54. It may have drifted a little bit into 55. And if you look at this thing, there's no brake master cylinder here for me to put fluid in. Look at, I mean, there's no. It's all the way down under.
Oh, jeez,
So
you
I've
kidding me?
got to find it.
Can I see how you work the doors again? Sorry, I've never seen one in person, so look at that.
So it's just an aluminum door.
Wow, cool,
Really light.
man. Yeah, it was funny seeing you getting out of this thing.
Oh, it's not fun getting into it. I'll tell you that. Oh, I know this. Is it 240?
240 horses,
240, I think. I think it's
approximate.
Yeah. So it would do back in the day 160.
Let's check out the other side.
Rally over in Italy. It's a fun car, and everybody asks the color.
That's an ashtray.
What's this? What's this blue stuff here?
Oh, that's just windshield washer flow.
Ah, that's cool. Oh my gosh. This goes into the radiator here. Mechanical fan. Worker made. Still have my gloves? Hold on,
I
bro.
like your hat. That's a good hat. It looks warm. Are you warm?
Yeah.
Your ears are warm. Not bad, right?
This is just cool, man. I could stand and watch this thing all day.
Say it again. Take a good look at this, because you may not see one like this ever again.
I'm trying to tell him.
That's why Dad's recording it.
Yeah.
This is a rock star. This is very rare. This is like going shopping and seeing Beyonce walking down the aisle. Only a handful of them in the world, really.
Left. How many was made?
I don't know. The man to ask is in the orange jacket.
I'm guessing under 1,000, if I remember right. Seven something.
There are very few left.
The only thing worth more than this car is you.
Here on behind the dash right
None of you in the world except you, right? One. Yeah, this one's selling one. I mean, it was
That's the emergency brake.
it's a body box. I would have
Right
done
here.
it automatically. Like, that's one comment.
Watch your head. Just watch your head.
How much do these go for?
How much?
Yeah.
It's a huge gamut. Convertible Roadster just sold for 2.3 million. But that was, I think that was unbelievably the high water mark, and I don't know that we're going to see that.
First time ever I've ever seen one. I've seen these in the movies, but never one in person. You get a lot of looks driving it?
It's, just because it's an interesting car, and we're driving here, and every car is black or gray or whatever. And look at this car when they're parked next to this one. How pretty this is.
Yeah.
Their New Year's Eve celebration on the beach is quite spectacular.
So we ran with a shift history.
At one event, I come back from the run, no fucking good.
So that's why you had shift that issue. Yeah, I know my man don't miss no gears, man.
It rains all the way up. You see the pin is bent all the way up?
Yeah, that thing was missing second and third. There you go. Tranny's good.
It drove off the track, so it's good. It's something minor. If it's not that, it's
Get him next year.
It's gonna get a whole bunch of new shit, but
ready to go. Please let me know. Motor is in pristine condition. Single overhead cam VTEC. Please let me know. A new head gasket has already been installed. D16 Z6 wiring harness. Transmission ECU H23A1. block with clutch and flywheel pressure plate. As you can see, the block is in good condition and ready to go. Shifter knob, shifter cables, shifter brackets to go with every transmission with clutch and flywheel pressure plate, even down to the bolts. K-series transmission that's open and ready for inspection. Make sure all your gears and everything are in good condition. Inspect them and they will be ready to go with wire and harness, ECU for K-series and H-series, P28 ECUs for you guys that's doing your all motor H swaps, transmission for that all motor H swap, also with half shaft, chassis ready for K-series, ready to be dropped in. All you have to do is get your own mounts. Auto to manual conversion done on an EG Civic chassis. Chassis is ready to go with clutch pedal and reservoir ready to go. Email me. I also have CRV for you guys that's ready to do that all-wheel drive.